What's the meaning of clear out? Clear out. Clear out.
Clear out. Clear out. The term clear out refers to a thorough process of removing or getting rid of unwanted items, materials, or things from a particular space or area. This process involves sorting through the items and deciding what to keep, donate, sell, or discard. The result of a successful clear-out is a clean, organized, and clutter-free environment that is conducive to productivity and peace of mind. A clear-out can be applied to various settings, such as homes, offices, and storage spaces, and it is often done as part of a spring cleaning or decluttering project to improve one's living or working conditions.